Say good morning. Good morning, love. Say good. You sleep? You sleep? Curly too. Yeah, I'm stressing out. I need to take a chill pill. I need to lay my head on a pillow. On my pillow. Hey, my sissy. Hey, my sissy. What are those? Kidding, they're nice. Y'all, me and Grandma cracking up because we heard this big old BAM real loud, right? It was so loud. And we was like, what is that? Oh, hold on. So yeah, so we heard this big BAM. We was like, that can't be the Comcast people. We looking outside, we looking out the window, we looking out the peephole. I said, is it a bird? I think it's a bird, y'all. R.I.P. R.I.P. It's creepy. Grandma, I think he did. I think so. I think he knocked himself out. It just hit the door so hard. I can't. Just got this in the mail. It's my call center thingy. Actually, it says it right there. It's right there. And I tried it out. I tried to put the little, the little headset on. It was too funny. And then I have my desk here. This is my desk. It's all glass. And my chair is at home. I was like, I'm not about to carry that thing. It's too heavy. I just can't. I don't have no muscles for that, y'all. But I'm a little tired because I woke up at 5:45. So try to get as much work as I possibly can get done. I got a lot of paperwork to do and it has to be in tonight. So I might just do that. But I need to take a chill pill. I really do. I really do.
If you came to prove, there's no reason to prove.
Here, why? It's really good. Oh my gosh. There's the hand tie first. I paid $8 for this.
And now you've got yourself something funky.
Easy.